Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, of course, is point your web browser to the IMA MFA web page and log in if you have not already. I like to, when I put in my credentials, I like to click this button so that it remembers who I am and I don't have to re-log into the website. So if you go to projects on the side here, you can either look at your existing projects. I only have one here, or you can create a new project by clicking here, or alternatively here. So I'm going to create a new project. So once you're on the project page, you should enter a project title at the top here. Mine is Froggytopia, and I'm going to paste this description that I have. And you can use this like a word processor, so you can embolden text, use italics, you can link a word or a phrase, you can get rid of that link, and if you click in here you can upload and insert pictures that will show up throughout your description. And then if you come down, you're going to want to select a filter. So this is an activist project. It was an installation and also has a web element. So I'm going to select those three. And I'm a current student as well. So select all the relevant parts there. That'll help because when people browse projects on the website, they can choose if they want to sort and only view web projects, for example. So coming down, this area here is for advanced users. It's not crucial to creating a project. You can style the background with a background image, but I'm just going to enter a short project description. And a project link so that people can go to the project website directly from this project page that we're creating. And then you have a choice between using image slides here or a video. And I'm going to opt for a video. If I wanted images, it would put a nice banner at the top where you could click through, next photo, and it's just really easy to drag and drop images in there. It should just look like that. But I'm gonna opt for the Vimeo video. And so you just put the ID of your video, not the whole URL, just the part at the very end of it. For YouTube, it would look like this, so you'd want this part of it. Similarly with Vimeo, it's just sort of a chain of numbers. And then you want to make sure that you show up as the author here. So scroll down to your name and go ahead and add it. Oops. And then if someone else was part of my project, I would just click add next to their name, and then we'd both be there. And then whether or not you want to feature it on the homepage, it's up to you, but I suggest that you do. The latest 3 projects that have been created are shown on the homepage. And when they're shown on the homepage, they're shown with the featured image. And so that's the last thing that you're going to want to do is set a featured image here. I'm just going to drag and drop this into there. And then it's important that you do not click insert into post, even though you can undo that. But what you want is use as featured image. And you'll see that it shows up over here. So I'm going to exit out. I've got a featured image. Everything's good to go. I'm going to submit it for review. And that sends it to us webmasters, and then we just make sure that there are no big errors or anything in your project page that you've created, and then we accept it. So once back on the IMA homepage, you can see that if you scroll down, it's featured under latest projects. You can also get to it by clicking on work in the menu bar. And then it'll be listed right there. You can click on it, and it'll take you right to the project page. And you're done.